Good morning, Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet with another top bookkeeping tip. The biggest mistake that I see when I see people sorting out their bookkeeping and account software is that they have duplicate entries on their accounts in their bank account, or they've got invoices they've entered that they know that they have paid, but they have not marked them as paid and put it through the bank. So let me give you a quick tip. Most bookkeeping systems, Xero, Sage, QuickBooks, you have two options when you're putting items in. You can upload a bill or an invoice or batch enter an invoice in Sage, and you can have it sitting there in bills in Xero, it might be in expenses, or it might be in Sage in the supplier's ledger, and these invoices are sitting there as outstanding. Then when you pay your supplier or you make a payment, what you need to do is put a payment in and match it against those bills that you've put in. Make sure you keep everything accurate so you know which bills are outstanding and which have been paid. The problem now is with the modern bookkeeping systems, with the cloud ones, is that they import all the bank transactions in for you. And then when you're on your banking page, whether it be Xero or QuickBooks or Sage, when you're on the banking page, you have the option of creating a brand new transaction to put that cost in, or matching it against a bill or an invoice that you've already put in. So you need to be really, really clear when you see something appear on your bank, whether you have already put some paperwork in concerning that, an invoice, a bill, a statement, something like that, or whether this is the first time you've ever put anything in concerning that entry. So there's different techniques, whether you are in Sage or in Xero, or now I'm adding QuickBooks to my list of packages that I can help with. It's a case of making sure that if a bill has been put in, then you should mark it as paid. There's two things that you can do to make sure that you haven't made a mistake. When you've finished entering everything in your bank bank screens and it says that all of your imported transactions are reconciled, always go and do in the system a bank reconciliation or a bank check, and check that the balance in your software matches your statement balance and matches what your bank says. That way then you will know that you have entered everything correctly. The other thing that you should do is go off and look at your outstanding suppliers and just check that there's no invoices showing there as outstanding that you know you have paid. So that's the process that I do. I'll upload any bills and invoices that I need to upload. I'll then go through the bank and mark anything as paid that I know has been paid. And I will make sure that the bank matches, that the statement matches the software balance. And then I will go and have a look at my outstanding suppliers and double check that there isn't anything on there that I know that I've paid. Then there's various techniques that you can use that I help people with in the hand-holding sessions. That means you can spot those mistakes, and the real skill is spotting them and being able to fix them. So that's my quick tip on the process that you should follow, just to make sure you don't double entry things. If you need some help and support, do follow my videos on YouTube on the Silicon Bullet channel. Maybe if you're brand new to bookkeeping, go to my Bookkeeping Basics podcast, or look at blog.siliconbullet.com for some more hints and tips. But I can offer one-to-one hand-holding sessions remotely linking into your system to help and guide you through. If you've got into a bit of a mess, don't worry, it's all fixable. I can guide you through and help you. So that's Alison at Silicon Bullet signing off. Bye.